wrong thing, we will be free to report, because this is our society, this is our Kenya, this is our country. We want to work in our country where we can get that service at the shortest time possible.
Our development goal is to contribute to strengthen democratic accountability and transparency in Kenya through this citizen monitoring of government expenditure in order to uncover suspected corruption and mismanagement of public funds.
Do we have an accountability structure that gives us a timeline that this report was made, this is what we've done so far, this is the people we've engaged, and so these are the consequences that have arisen from the 10 cases that have been reported.
We are now at the stage of doing the public expenditure tracking survey and contemplating the development of the app. This project complements other things that TI Kenya is doing and Pawa Initiative is doing.
The app is not the only component for reporting in the project.
I would like to know how that app can be used, because we can track and get to know this money reached the school, yes. But how is it being used?
We'll have a toll-free line where somebody can call in within even a basic feature phone. We'll also have an SMS shortcode. Again, questions around security of SMSing and USSD codes will be discussed.
We have a very important stakeholder who is not with us here, the TSC.
We have very robust work going with the Teacher Service Commission, and it shouldn't be difficult to create the link with them.
Is this a pilot or it's the real deal?
It's being called a pilot project because of the area of application. And the hope is, after the 4-year run, based on what we learn and based on the information we get, we are able to scale up the project.
Today's meeting was very fruitful and informative in the sense that we had the different stakeholders from the different sectors, health and education, and of course the 2 implementing partners and the consultants therein, to actually ensure that we forge a way forward in this discussion around social accountability.
Quite an insightful time, because we're talking about Kenya performing dismally in the Corruption Perception Index. So initiatives like this are geared towards pushing the envelope for the general population to act.